Hello guys, today we are discussing about the case study presentation on Chowkidhani Hut. Here our group is Amlesh Tirki, Hardeep Singh, Thakur Tanu Singh and Hina Goyal. The Chowkidhani is a magical land of Rajasthan where the heat shimmers like fan top, where the things are seen are not really there and where the things that vanish behind veils and illusions. Actually, the Chowkidhani Pink destination is making it as an important thing because of their environment of Jaipur. The designer professor was Chinmay Mehta professor. The total area they covered is 18 acres and the cost was 30 crores approx. The year of completion was 1999 and the location was, the site is on the outskirts of Jaipur located on Jaipur Tank Highway. 6 km from the airport and 80 km from the city center. The site covers an area of 18 acres of which of 5 acre land in earmarked for the future projects. It has divided into two parts. The first is day-to-day visitors and the second is Chowkidhani village. The Chowkidhani concept is to join the Rajasthani tribes from the world. The tourists are always attracted to the Rajasthani cultures and their tribes. The mainly focus to reveal the real Rajasthan like the paintings and their trends like art, Bani Thani, the wall decorations and covered and plaster, the pure food and the fresh air. The zoning analyzes Chowkidhani village. Cluster planning functionally interrelated spaces were clubbed together and segregated haphazard manner. The entire theme of Rajasthan was depicted in terms of jungle, lake, side, desert, side, etc. Open spaces were rightly acknowledged with the right use of activities like merry-go-round, camel rides, chart, shops, etc. The zoning were enabled for the visitors to the view of the whole place, open planning and explore places of their interest. Here we can see the plan is noted as the numbers. We can see the first is entrance gate, second number is guard room, third is Panwari hut, fourth is office hut, fifth is welcome beat, sixth is Sangri restaurant and the long is, and the main things are they have a rabbit cage and bird cage in the 9th area. 11th they have a Rath Khana and the 14th is dry veg shop. They have a veg shop too. 16th they have a magic show. 17th they also provided the puppet shows. And 20th at the 20th area they are having a museum, and at 22 they also provide the elephant ride. 23 they are providing open air theater for any program or performance. And at like now coming down, like at 27 they have a snake and ladder games too. They have lots of games to playing there. Now at the 31 we can see the jungle theme. They provided the jungle themes to look like very real things. At the 33 we came at the national hut. They provided the national things. They provided they shows their national things to the visitors. At 34 we can see the camel and bullock cart rides. These all things we can say they are showing their culture to the visitors.
Now let's talking about the components of Chowkidhani village. Gorband, the open dining area. Gorband is an open dining area at semi-round shape ground in form of Kalisina Ghagara or crease in skirt. This area had a compound wall of 9 meter and it was richly colored with floral motif. It was an open dining area and it can be viewed from the entrance plaza itself. Now let's talking about the number 2, Shanghai, the village dining hall. This was a closed restaurant with an outer veranda around with wooden post. The column in outer veranda was shaped like tree branches. The interior column were richly colored with vegetable colors. Now let's talking about the number 3, Chopad Jiman Ghar. Apart from Sangri, there is another ethnic dining hall specially known for its shape, Chopad Jiman Ghar. It has 4 straight row meeting center. Each row has 20% sitting capacity. Now let's talking about the National Hut. Craft Bazaar is an attempt to bring under one of the roof of the site sounds, smell, taste, art and craft of two of the 9 most famous states of the country, that is Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Goa, Sikkim, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. The National Hut is built like a giant map of the country with the botanic of each state built on its geographical location of the map. Now let's talking about the Kalagram. Kalagram is indeed a earnest effort to heighten the acknowledgement of all the solitary art of the village of Rajasthan. This place is arranged to display the use of Rajasthani art and craft in the modern daily life. The Kalagram recreates the magic of blue pottery, Bagru prints, carpets and doris, wooden craft, Jaipuri rajai, Tarkashi art, tie and dye, bone jewelry, puppet making and so more. The Kalagram also had some performing stages, cow sheds, chat kiosk. Lots of circular patches were distributed for sittings, lighting, and other informal activities. Pangat, showing ancient way of pulling out water from well, whereas Telrigani represent the ancient way of getting oil by moving blocks round and round the central mechanical system. Garadiya Luhar show the working of Indian blacksmiths who never take rest till the work lasts.
बोटिंग ताल तलैया चौकीधानी की अपनी एक खूबसूरती है और गांव की झील ताल तलैया है जहां कोई भी नौका विहार का आनंद ले सकता है और ऐसा माना जाता है कि झरना का दृश्य लोगों के लिए रोमांस के सीन का सही इस पर जोड़ता है। और गुफा झरनी एक आर्टिफिशियल वाटरफॉल है जो अंधेरे में ड्रेडफुल गुफा की ओर गिरता हुआ प्रतीत होता है। जंगल से एक थीम पार्क है जो फॉरेस्ट थीम पर आधारित है जहां कोई भी जानवरों की दहाड़ता हुआ स्वाभाविक रूप से पाएगा और जबकि भील जनजातियां जंगलों के ड्रमों के साथ लहराती हुई प्रतीत होती है। और थीम पार्क बच्चों के साथ एक बड़ा ही पसंदीदा पार्क बना हुआ है। और फन जोन शाम के दौरान लाइव डांस और आकर्षक प्रदर्शन चौकीधानी गांव के प्रमुख आकर्षणों में से एक माना जाता है। और टेम्पल मंदिर देवरा झरने के नीचे पहाड़ की चोटी में ब्यूटीफुल हैंड पेंटेड टेम्पल है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिखने वाला मंदिर है। प्लानिंग ऑफ द क्लस्टर्स द रूफ स्ट्रक्चर वाज डेचर्ड काउंसिल टॉप विथ सपोर्टिंग कॉलम्स आइदर एट सेंटर और द सर्कमफेरेंस। और व्यू इन द क्लस्टर और जैसे कि राजस्थान में कई लोक नृत्य हैं और सभी यहाँ पर अलग अलग अवसरों पर आयोजित किए जाते हैं जो कि इस तरह से देखे गए हैं। गोमरे, कुम्हार नृत्य, कालबेलिया, स्नेक नृत्य, भोपा भोपी नृत्य, ये सभी यहाँ के लोक नृत्य माने जाते हैं। और द पपेट शो एक कठपुली रो नाच है। पपेट शो एक रेक्टेंगुलर रूम में स्थापित किया जाता है जो शुरुआती कठपुतली थिएटरों में मुखौटे के लिए सजावट की नकल करता था और पहले भी कई बार कठपुतली के जरिए हम अपने जीवन में कठपुतली एपिसोड और कई दृश्य देखते आ रहे हैं। और द मैजिक शो जादू रो खेल है। मैजिक शो राजस्थान गांव के खुले स्थान पर निरंतर होता चला आ रहा है और इस मैजिक शो की प्रतिमा भी बनाई गई है जहां दर्शकों को गोलाकार स्ट्रक्चर के साथ चलने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म में बैठाया गया है। और भूल भुलैया एक ऐसी इमेज बनाया गया है यहाँ पर जहाँ लोगों को सुरंगों से रास्ता खोजना पड़ता है जिसमें लोगों को बड़े मजे आते हैं। और सांप सीढ़ी रो खेल यह खेल सिंपल स्नेक्स एंड लीडर्स गेम्स ऑन अ हज बोर्ड एंड डाइस। इसमें सांप सीढ़ी खेल एक बोर्ड पर बड़े बोर्ड पर खेला जाता है। एंड द ओपन स्पेस वेयर मैनेज्ड विथ मेरी गो राउंड्स सीसॉस फिल्म सिंग एंड द अदर ट्रेडिशनल विलेज गेम। द गेमिंग जोन जैसे कि शूटिंग, बोतल हिटिंग हिट्स राजस्थान के पाल्टिया आर्किटेक्चर के समान आर्च्ड ओपनिंग के उद्घाटन में मौजूद है। और राइड ऑन द लग्जरीज ऑफ द बैंगॉन ईरा बी इट कैमल, हॉर्स ड्रॉन, टोंगा और एन एलिफेंट। यह सब दुनिया के उस हिस्से में विकसित किए गए हैं जहां ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मनुष्यों के शुरुआती कुछ स्थानों पर सवारी करने का और आनंद देने के लिए एक बेहतरीन टूरिस्ट प्लेस बन गया है। राजस्थान के ध्वनियों और संगीतों का बड़े प्यार से आनंद लिया जा सकेगा।
Elements which enhancing theme like chakki, hull, bamboo, bridge, lanterns, potteries, well, chabutras. Now moving to the next topic, construction details. Simple bricks masonry work is done. Plaster is used either in the form of traditional cow dung mixed with special type of sand and some thatch waste. Also at some places POP is used widely. The walls are decorated with relief murals. The hut structures are provided with windows and doors. The roofs, wherever air conditioning was not planned, have been erected with iron pipes and puddles, which are covered with bamboo net and terracotta tiles brought from different parts of region. Typically, wall patterns, use of red stone with some local material is done. As we can see, the plans of rectangular and circular hut with their elevation and detailing of roof, with wooden columns support the bamboo framework. Bamboo structures support the roofs and rooftop finish with the thatched coir grass which gives a cool environment in the interior. These were seen in the open air performing stages. Now, demerits of Chokidhani. Sites provides no natural view, which are supposed to be essential for a project like Ethnic Village. Walkways after car parking are long and unprotected from rain and sun. No covered connection between any two units, and reception hall are insufficient.